What's going on, everyone? This is Vince from Life with Vince Luu. Today is a new day, so let's go crush it. For today's lifting session, I did barbell squats and I was able to hit 205 5x5. My legs are feeling good, my legs are feeling strong, and I'm super excited because next week I get to move up weight to 225, and I'll be aiming for a 5x3 or 5x4, and then I'll be repeating that until I can hit 225 5x5. Once I can complete the 5x5, I'll move up weight by another 20 pounds and repeat that same cycle until so on and so forth. And my goal is actually to hit 315, not for a 5x5, but just hit it for a single or even a double. The strongest that I've ever been in my lifetime, I was able to hit 325 for a single, right around the same weight, so 133 or so pounds. And I think it's just muscle memory coming back, because when I first did squats a few weeks ago, 135 was feeling heavy and 185 was feeling really heavy, but today's 205 5x5 felt lighter than 185 a few weeks ago. And I'm excited to see how the strength in my legs will come back, if they will come back, while I am concurrently running, putting in 40 to 50 miles per week, because this is the first time that I am running a lot plus squatting. So we'll see if I can even get my strength back to where it was. But I would be super happy if I can even do 305 or 295 for a single, because can you have both? Maybe. I'm going to try to have the best of both worlds, and I think if I'm smart with my training, like how I have been in the past, I might be able to do it, but we'll see. And also, additional to the squats that I did today, I also did bodyweight pull-ups. I was aiming for sets of 20, but when I recorded that first set, I noticed that I actually did 21. So I actually did 5 sets of 21 reps per set at bodyweight. And I feel like my pull-ups are getting stronger. I can feel it being easier, because usually when I hit a set of 20, I feel like I'm a little bit more fatigued, but today I was able to hit 5 sets of 21, and it was not necessarily easy, but it was easier than in the past. It's that time of the day again. Time to get some miles in. It's actually sprinkling a little bit, but my GoPro Media Mod isn't waterproof. The GoPro itself is, but the Media Mod is not, so hopefully it doesn't start raining too bad. I might have to go drop this off back at my house. So it did start raining just a little bit harder, so I decided to drop off my GoPro back at my house, grab my Gymshark jacket just so that I can protect my ear pods just in case. Was able to get a solid 4 miles in at a pretty easy pace. And you know what? A little bit of rain never hurt anybody. Well, hopefully not. But you know, I could have came back earlier in my run, but I committed to running 4 miles. So the last 2 miles it started raining, and I was already kind of like back at my house, but I already committed to running 4 miles. So I'm already out there, it's already raining, and honestly it's not even that bad. It's a little bit of water, you shower with it, so what harm can it really do you? And I think sometimes I get caught up, and I know that, you know, other people might get caught up into barriers that hold them back, even something as silly as a little bit of rain. So for me personally, I've made that mind switch of, hey, it's not that bad. It sucks a little bit, but that little hurdle shouldn't prevent you from putting in work towards your goals. Because after you finish it, after you finish the run or complete the goal, the run is the goal, I mean not the goal, the task at hand to get to your goal, you're gonna thank yourself. Because right now I feel good. I would have felt okay if I would have just ran 2 miles, but I completed the whole 4 miles in which I committed to, and I'm glad that I did, because right now I'm 2 miles closer, I'm 1 step closer to my goal. So hope you all enjoyed that video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all the support. Thanks for all the love. Please give this video a thumbs up. It really helped me out. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. See you all tomorrow. So right now I'm editing the video from today, and that last clip that I shot, it was a little bit blurry and I did not want to shoot it again. So I was like, well, I got to figure out how to sharpen the image. So I just went to YouTube, how to sharpen through Final Cut Pro, and I found it. I found out how to do it, and it makes the clip just look way better. So if you're using Final Cut Pro and then you shot a clip and it's a little bit blurry, don't worry, you can sharpen the image to make it look a little bit better, because sometimes you don't want to reshoot the image, especially if you've already packed up your gear, you've already went on with your day and you forgot the thought, or if the clip was a really good clip, which I felt that that clip was a pretty good clip. So I'm gonna show you how to do it real quick, just in case you ever run into this issue, because sometimes it happens, and it happens to me more frequently than I'd like it to. So boom, let's say that you have a blurry clip. Actually, from this view, when I'm shooting it, it doesn't look that blurry, but trust me, it's a little bit blurry. All you gotta do is go to this right-hand side, go to the effects, and then it's under blur, and then it's going to be sharpen. And then you just drag sharpen up onto the clip, and then it makes it way more clear. So right now, it's a lot clearer, and then you can actually make the sharpening effect more or less. But if the more that you make it, the faker it looks. So you gotta kind of find it right in the middle or something super light. So hope that helps. See you tomorrow.